Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn with 1 to 25 in numbers in English. Okay children, first of all, this is blue color. 1. This is pink color. 2. This is purple color. 3. This is brown color. 4. This is dark green color. 5. This is green color. 6. This is yellow color. 7. This is orange color. 8. This is red color. 9. This is black color. 10. This is blue color. 11. This is pink color. 12. This is violet color. 3. This is brown color. 4. This is green color. 5. This is green color. 6. 16. This is yellow color. 17. This is red color. 18. This is orange color. 19. This is black color. 20. This is pink color. 21. This is blue color. 22. This is yellow color. 23. Red color. 24. So brown color. 25. This last one is 25. Okay children, bye.